Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald, and if you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new here, you may as well hit subscribe. In today's video, I thought I would share with you guys some tips and some exercises to help with your technique for your front extensions. So front extensions range from anything from developpes, devant, to grand battement, even to grand jeté or saut de chat. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go on our elbows and do our typical warm-up of just rolling out our hips a little bit. So let's do 10 circles with our knee with the right for 9. And we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same with the left. We have 10. Keeping that hip down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Lay all the way down on your back. Take your arms out to the side and flex your feet up to the sky. We're going to rotate our legs within our hips, so turn them out to a first position, point through the feet, and bring them parallel. Let's do that again just to warm up the hips some more. Flex the feet to the sky. You can take your arms in first as well. Rotate the legs without squeezing the glutes, so your hips should not lift. You're using your deep external rotators. Point through the feet rather than squeeze the glutes. And parallel. Let's do that again. Flex the toes up. We rotate the legs. Point through the feet. And parallel. Last one, flex through the feet. Rotate. And we point. Parallel, let's reverse. We rotate the legs, flex through the feet, parallel, and point. Again, rotate the legs, flex through the feet, keeping them turned out, parallel, and point. 2 more. Rotate the legs, flex through the feet, parallel, nice flat back, point through the feet. There's going to be a natural curvature in the spine. Rotate the legs, flex through the feet, parallel, and point. Now rotate the legs, keep them pointed, and take your right leg in a 5th position. Keep your arms to the side and make sure that your hips are staying level and square throughout this entirety of this exercise. So we take our toe along our leg through retire 1 and 2. Now present the heel devant. 3, extend to the front. 4, stay. 5 and 6, lower down. You can flex the foot to relax it. And again, devant, 2, lifting the heel, 4, stay. 5, rotate the legs, lower down, and again, go through a retire devant, present the heel, 4, extend, hold, 6, last one, here we go, through retire devant, lift the heel, and extend, and stay. 2, lower. 3. And we're going to reverse. So lift the leg as high as you can. Now bring the knee back, keep the heel lifted. 3 and 4. Slide down. 6, 7, 8. Again. Releve, lock, devant, lift it even higher. Lift the knee. Bring the toe higher than the knee. And slide it down. Again, lift the foot. 2, lift it higher. And 4, retire. 6, lower. 7, 8, last one. Lift the leg. 2, lift it higher. 4, 5, rotate. Don't let that left hip lift. Good, shake it out for a second. And we're gonna do the same thing with the left. So go ahead, take your right foot underneath, left foot on top. We start with 4 developpes, devant with the left foot. We do retire and 2. Present the heel, lift the knee. Keep presenting the heel. 4, lower, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, present the heel. 4, keep rotating and spanning that leg. Lower, down, again. 1, 2, present the heel. 4, extend 5, 6, lower 7, 8, last one. 1, 2, present the heel. 4, extend 5, 6, lower 7, 8, reverse, lift the leg. 2, lift the knee higher, rotate the leg, and lower down. Again, lift the leg. 2, lift the knee. 4, bring it back, nice strong core, lower down. 2 more, lift the leg. 2, knee back. 4, bring it in. 6, last one, make it your best. Lift the leg. 2, bring the knee back. 4, 5, 6, and lower and relax. Beautiful, go ahead and roll up. And for this next one, you have the option to use some yoga blocks underneath your legs for this as well for an extra challenge, but we're going to do it with no equipment today. So go ahead, take your legs out in front of you and take your hands behind you. We're gonna rotate our legs once again in the first position, and let's take our arms off the floor. Option 1, hands are on the floor. Make sure that your shoulders are in line with your hips. If you need to take your shoulders back a little bit to make some more space for your hip flexors, go ahead and do that. You can use the floor if you need to, if it's too much on the core or you're feeling it's too much on your hips. But rotating the legs, we're gonna start by lifting our right leg up and down 10 times. 9, and down. 8, 7, and 6. We have 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, we're gonna pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and take a forward fold here. Beautiful. We do the same thing with the left. Go ahead, rotate the legs, and we lift for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, belly button to spine, nice tall back. 3, ooh, little shakes. 2, last one, we're gonna pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Beautiful. So go ahead, take your knees together, open up the knees into a little butterfly, take your hands behind you. Now we're going to go from an attitude devant to a developpe front. We're going to draw little circles with our leg. So you're going to not change anything about the legs that are here right now because you're going to try to lift and present with the heel. So lift with the heel first, then we extend, and let's draw circles for 8, 7, 6, 5, option 4 to take the hands off, 3, 2, 1, reverse, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And other foot, same thing. Lift the heel and extend, and we do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep rotating the leg, reverse, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Give yourself a hug. Go ahead and take one leg in front in a pigeon. And you can walk forward. And go ahead and switch sides. So I hope you guys enjoyed that short little follow along video. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Feel free to do any of these exercises twice through. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.